Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. As you've read the title, this video is going to be about our sweet little journey from Vishakhapatnam to Mussoorie. So I wish that you come along with us and enjoy this sweet little ride. So hop onto the train and let's go. Hey guys, so we're heading towards Nizamuddin station and from there we'll be heading towards Dehradun. So mostly many people like traveling in train when traveling from Vizag to Dehradun because there's a layover and the ticket also is very expensive. 12 hour 11 hours layover is there, so it's been 2 hours since we started the journey. It's been raining constantly. There's a cyclone happening in Vishakhapatnam. Because of the cyclone, the climate also is very cloudy, and yeah, it looks beautiful. Rain is something very different. It brings back all those nostalgic feelings. So right now I'm sitting here and it's reminding me of the time my cousins and I went on the train, played Uno, Ludo. So there's a beautiful field outside. Let me show you. So I just finished my work and then it's been 3 days since I slept. And if I don't sleep now, and I'm dead. So say hi to my sister. I am carrying this huge bag. This has 3 compartments. This is a very basic bag that I got from Bombay for a very cheap price, but then it stores a lot of things. So this section there's all skincare. This section there is all miscellaneous things, and then this section it's all battery, tripods, phone, chargers, and all of that. And then it was lunchtime. My mom gave me some mutton fry and tamarind rice. This is our regular menu. Every time we travel on train, it is mutton fry and tamarind rice. And I don't know why it tastes so good on train. And then I finished it with a chocolate. I don't really enjoy dark chocolate or milk chocolate. So I'm a big fan of white chocolate. And this tasted so good. You're on train and you don't have a sandwich. What are you doing? So yeah, I was tired by this time working, and then my mom got me some sandwich and cutlets. So let's just go down and have some fun. I'm done working. The sandwich tasted so good, and the cutlet also was so crispy and fresh. Enjoyed it a lot. And then here I am fulfilling my elder sister responsibilities by annoying my little sister. Train journeys are so much fun when you have your sister, your siblings, your cousins around. Don't you think? And then my dad gave me this fruit peel. It was yum again. And then I started following my nighttime winter skincare routine. Your skin needs extra care and love during winter season, and especially if you're traveling on train, then it's double trouble because the AC on the train is extremely dry and the air outside is also dry. So hydration is so much important. So there's one product that I do not travel without on train, so that is something that I will not get on train without. So if you want to know what that product is, or what are the simple steps that I'm following, then there's another video that is detailed. So if you want to watch that, you can watch. Otherwise, here I'm just following a simple routine of toner, serum, eye cream, moisturizer. Then I used a calming balm to not get any rashes and ended up with a tinted lip balm. So yeah, also did a little hair care routine and the train started swinging. Yeah, so doing some nice massage. And here I am, ready to go to bed. I'll meet you in the morning. So this is the next day. We got on at the Nizamuddin station around 7:30, 7:40. I did not shoot the whole day on the train because I had so much work to finish and I didn't get time to do it. But then yeah, we got on a buggy ride and then started our journey towards our launch because we had to wait for our train to Dehradun because the train journey is not finished yet. Hi guys, so we've reached Nizamuddin station and then it's just 8 o'clock in the night and it's so cold, it's 20 degrees here only at 8 o'clock. So it's really cold, my nose is literally frozen and I can't breathe. So yeah, we have to wait here for another 3 hours and then we're going to catch a train to Dehradun and that's gonna arrive there. So I'm going to sit here, finish up some work that's pending and then wait for the train to come. Now, this was the launch, and I started finishing some pending work. Luckily, the launch Wi Fi was super speed, so finishing some work before the train starts again. So that's my mom looking out, so focused. She's always interested in what's happening around. So, yeah, let's wait for the train. I guess it's a universal thing, and yeah, here having my dinner. This biryani was okayish, not that great, but not that bad too. So, now we reached Dehradun early in the morning. It was so cold. We couldn't bear, so we started wearing the gloves and everything. So Baba taking our luggage towards the door. So excited about what's going to happen in the coming week. So if you want to watch this journey, do subscribe and I hope you like today's video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and do share it with your friends and family. And yeah, the next video is coming very very soon. We're going to explore a lot of things in Dehradun, so don't miss it.